All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back here in the lab. One thing I've discovered, even though we have the copper Qubit lattice here, even though the copper Qubit lattice is indeed working, we're having some difficulty here getting proper engagement. I'm thinking it's because we have a one-dimensional Qubit lattice. And so I'm going to try to 3D him up. Actually, I am thinking that I may be able to use this same theory to develop some sort of three-dimensionality on the skateboard wheel cores. As I said, I don't know if you haven't seen some of my other videos, but anyway, I said that the 7D cores might be associated with polyurethane. These aren't polyurethane, these are just plastic. So yes, now the goal here, the only way that I'm thinking we might be able to fully engage the Qubit lattice, we have to do some localized four-dimensionality. So I'm going to try and see how I can oh, that might work pretty well. That might work pretty well. Just have to get the right strategy going on this. What I think I'm going to try to do. Oh, yeah. Yep. Whew. Let's go ahead and do this one as well. I was just going to do just one of them, but we'll go ahead and use it as well. Someone had asked me, what are the correlations with polyurethane? And the seventh dimension. I actually don't have my, oh, see, that's actually a little bit too bouncy. Let's see if we can reduce some of that mask without completely ruining structural stability. But if you look into the molecular structure of polyurethane, you will discover where some of these correlations are coming from. I'll have to make a video on it separately when I have my research before me. All right, let's get some of this. Let's get some of this together. All right. I think going sheet by sheet is going to take far too long. Far too long. All right. get them in there. Of course, there's some problems. One of the YouTube comments pointed out to me that using such a conductive material as copper might have some unforeseen effects when it comes to the increased friction that would come. Though I do have to say, in the solid state model, I don't know if these would be held on with copper wires. I don't think that would be the case. I don't think that would be advisable, to be honest with you. Wow. We'll test it. We'll test it. I'm going to be honest with you. At this point in its construction, I'm not so sure if oh, here we go. I would like to, going forward, to save as much of this copper as I can. I'm not sure about it if I'm really getting, I think the volume might be getting overly compressed there, right? So we might need to do some equations to discover the integral in this situation. We're getting good wheel rollage. Well, I'm going to be honest, while I'm not feeling the three-dimensionality, and I feel like it's been largely pushed away, I am seeing vast improvement on the hover mobility. It might be, oh, and we're getting some tearing there. It might be that we're experiencing just enough lift in order to get this thing truly moving. Wow. That's incredible. That is astounding and incredible. Wow. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Okay, well, we're going to probably have to do a complete rewrap in order to lock in any effects that we're seeing right here. Oh, wow. Most of it has been pushed to the side, so we know that horizontal compatibility is lacking. But anyway. Anyways, yeah, we're going to have to do another rewrap, but let's at least analyze what we have here. So actually, a surprising amount of it is still intact. A surprising amount. All right. Well, we got some ideas for the next test. See you guys soon.